Good morning, everyone. I am Madhav from BCAQ Batch 2 SEM 2, and today I am here to discuss a topic enumeration in C. That is here defined as enum. That is one of the keyword present in C language out of 32 keywords. So it is the user defined data type present in C language, uh, so that programmers are able to create a set of name integer constant. There are different types of user defined data type also, that is union, structure, etc. One of these is enum. So here how we declare and use enum. Declaration is we declare in every program of enumeration, we declare it is at the first name enum, that is a keyword present in C language. So we at first in every program we declare it by enum keyword followed by the name of the name and the variable. So it makes our code very easy. So because we define itself, so that it makes our code more readable. These are some benefits that I already told you, that it makes our code readable and make our code very easy for us to show in any organization, because it is used by ourselves. So here is the program of enumeration. At first line here is preprocessor directory. As we all know, in every C program the first line is preprocessor directory, that is hash include studio.h. Second line is enum week, and it is followed by the week name. So in this second line, enum is a keyword. Here enum is a keyword that I told you in the previous slide, that at first in every program it starts with enum, that is a keyword in C language, and it is followed by week, that is the name of the enum, and the following name is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. As we know that the name of day name present in the week, that is Sunday, Monday, etc. So here the default value starts from 0. So here we give Sunday is 0, Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, and this is the default value. If we want to change, and if we take our value, so we also take Sunday equals to 1, 2, 3, and rest of the list present in this week name is followed by the first index, that we make. If we make Sunday equals to, if we make Sunday as the starting value of 1, then Monday, Tuesday, etc. are followed by the next after the after 1, that is Sunday. So it is followed by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So in the third line, here in the fifth line, that is enum week today. As I told you just in the previous slide, that enum is the keyword, week is the name of enum, and today is here variable. And in variable today, in sixth line, in variable today we store the value Wednesday, that is present in this in our definition. So we in the seventh line the program print the day. If we only print the day and %d here for integer, because it is an int type, so here we take %d. If we only want to print %d, not this line, so it only print %d, that is Wednesday. As we know that its numbering, Wednesday is at number 3, so it prints day, because we know that the things present in the printf is printed as it is, so it print day, and %d here replace the value, that is here because it is Wednesday, so it prints 3. But in our code today minus 1, that is if today is Wednesday, that now we have to print today minus 1, that is if Wednesday is present at number 3, so we have to print 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we see which day is present at number 2. So here we see that Tuesday is present at number 2. So here we print day in output. Output we say day, and it is because it is 2. and number is followed by 2, so it is the integral constant, so it gives the value day 2. This is our output. Here we execute our code. Here we simply say see that our output is day 2 as we dry run our this code. If we in this code, if we add today plus 1 in this code, if we add today plus 1, that is simply here today is Wednesday is present at number 3, and 3 plus 1, that is day 4. So our, if we take in variable, that is variable is stored with Thursday, and our output gives day 4. It is our output. If we execute this code, we see that the output is day 4, because in this code we change the value of today plus 1. So Wednesday that is present at number 3, and we add 1, that makes our day 4. So these are the user defined data type, and similarly we study more types of user defined data type, that is union and structure, and that are also based on the same keyword, that is struct and union. So that's all from my side. Thank you.